A popular YouTube creator is accusing PayPal of committing fraud against both online shoppers and social media influencers via its digital coupon service, Honey. Megalag, a New Zealand-based YouTuber known for his tech investigations, made the allegations in a December 21st video titled Exposing the Honey Influencer Scam, which details the affiliate practices used by Honey, a popular internet browser extension that promises to aggregate and apply the best coupon codes for online shoppers with the click of a button. As of December 30th, the video has generated more than 13 million views. The response to the video has been overwhelming, Megalag told Newsweek on Monday. I anticipated it might generate some noise given how many people are affected, but the scale of the reaction has been beyond anything I expected. PayPal lied to consumers and appears to have been poaching affiliate commissions from potentially hundreds of thousands of influencers. PayPal acquired Honey for a staggering $4 billion in January 2020. At the time of the purchase, PayPal said the tool served about 17 million monthly active users and helped consumers save about $1 billion annually. Honey has been promoted by some of YouTube's biggest names, including Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr. Beast, and Linus Sebastian of Linus Tech Tips. Megalag told Newsweek that since the release of his video, Honey has lost 3 million users, dropping from 20 million on December 16th to 17 million as of Monday. Those numbers were replicated by looks like they're in for a rough start to 2025, he said. Honey is free to use and provides millions of shoppers with additional savings on their purchases whenever possible. Honey helps merchants reduce cart abandonment and comparison shopping while increasing sales conversion. Honey follows industry rules and practices, including last-click attribution, a Honey spokesperson told. Megalag claims that Honey has defrauded the content creators who promoted the shopping tool by exploiting what is known as last-click attribution and by taking their affiliate commission, revenue they would make if one of their followers buys a product using their link. He likened it to buying an item from a salesman whose commission would be stolen by another salesman who approached the consumer at checkout to ask if they would like to browse through discount codes that don't work. PayPal didn't refer the customer to the store. They didn't promote any of the products. The influencer did that, according to Megalag. PayPal provided absolutely zero value to the customer, yet they were rewarded for the sale. He also argued that Honey did not offer online shoppers the best available discount, because the extension allows businesses to choose which code Honey would pull up, which included lower value codes that would override bigger discounts consumers could have used. I wouldn't be surprised if this ends up going down as one of the most aggressive, shameless marketing scams of the century, Megalag said in the 23-minute video. Honey, which was founded by Ryan Hudson and George Ruin in 2012, says it makes money off commissions when a user buys something from one of its retail partners. According to Megalag, Honey has sponsored around 5,000 YouTube videos across more than 1,000 different channels that have accumulated a combined 78 billion views. Austin Evans, a YouTube creator with 61 million subscribers who has worked with Honey in the past, said in a December 23rd video, "It is completely unacceptable that Honey are acting in this sort of way. I will under no circumstances work with Honey ever again. And I hope this is a lesson for you, because it's not just about influencers getting our money stolen from Honey. They're also promising you to find these great deals, and in fact, they're hiding them behind the highest bidder. Hank Green, a YouTube creator with 1 million subscribers, said in his own December 24th video, responding to Megalag's investigation. I think the big bad guy in this story is Honey. I think the second big bad guy is PayPal, who was like, yeah, that is a great business model. We love that, and we're going to make you billionaires for creating it, for stealing, basically, and lying, for both stealing and lying. But the other villain is the way the sort of small business ecosystem of creators has been set up, for a bunch of small businesses to have to figure out how to make money somehow. And that, I feel like, is ripe for exploitation. Markiplier, a YouTube creator with 2 million subscribers who has been outspoken against Honey, wrote on X, I knew it. A spokesperson for Linus Media Group said in a social media forum in March 2022, we ended the partnership with Honey due to the way their service interacted with affiliate links. Essentially, if someone clicked on an affiliate link, for example, one of ours below in the video description on YouTube, and then, if they use Honey and search for a deal,